Alright, Chris here. Doing some work in the garage today on the Westy. Want to get some more things done. Trying to get that light out of the back and around. There we go. What we're doing today, and yes, the van is a huge mess, but we're going to tackle this job. I got the Westy shifter elbow thingamajig. I bought this actually probably 3 or 4 years ago, and I was too intimidated to do it. Kind of scared actually, because it seems like a lot of work and a lot of frustration. But going on this road trip, and I want to get it done. I want the shifter to be perfect. So, and honestly, it's not really bad now. I've got the big shot shifter. First is kind of difficult to get into, but if you go into second and then up to first, it always goes right in. So that's what I'm kind of trained to do, train myself. But we're going to start doing this job now and see how it goes, and hopefully the power of the stone roses will help us in the background there. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got the ball off, and that was pretty easy actually to do. The bushing, or the boot, is totally destroyed. So I have a new one, so it's no big deal. But I think I'm just going to replace this part and not the Westy part, and see what happens. If that fixes my problem, then I'm just going to roll with it, and I'll just save this, or I'll donate it to a raffle or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But that's the plan so far. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I thought this would be more difficult to put this little boot on than it was. I just put a small amount of grease on the ball and a little bit on the opening to this boot, and then I have it in my vise and just was pushing down, and finally it just snapped on. So that's cool. I just got to get it indexed on that rib there. So on to the next one. Okay, so I was able to get it on. What I did was undo this bolt and the other bolt holding this flange on in order to drop this down a little bit. Then I was able to get the ball. No, I lied. I put this green bellows, whatever you call this, boot. There we go. Boot on. Put the washer and the nut and screw that down tight. Grease this cup. Grease the inside of this bushing, and was able to push it together enough that I got it on maybe 1/4 of an inch. And then I just took this guy, put it around, and kind of shimmied it and pulled it down the rest of the way. And I checked the shifting, and it feels nice and crisp. So I'll have to take it for a ride later and figure out if that did it or not. But hopefully this will solve my issue, and it'll be good to go for a while. So take a break, and we'll take it for a ride in a bit. One other thing while I'm down here, I put this cardboard down last night just to see if the transmission was dripping anymore. And I have to report that there's no drips. Yay! So that speedy sleeve on the driver's side inside here definitely helped. So that's cool. Winning. Just inspecting this, and it's cracked. You can see it there. So I don't know how much longer that would have lasted. Glad I did this job. Alright, just to recap, I replaced that part of the shifter elbow, new ball, and put some grease in there, and also new bellows, whatever you call those things, boots. I took it for a test drive, and it seems to shift even better than it did before, so I think this is a success. So let that be a lesson to you. Overcome your fears, and also fight the power.